Okie dokies, I'm sure you heard of the Mythbusters and seen the episode where they were doing the movie myths, and one of the myths were that you can shoot off a lock with a gun, and they're trying to say that you can't shoot off a lock with a .357, and well, I have a .357 with me, and I'm here to show you that you can, in fact, you can, in fact, shoot off a lock, and, you know, not just any lock, you can shoot off a master lock with a .357, okay? Now, I never tried this before. Maybe it won't work, maybe it will work. I'm pretty sure it will work. You see, in that Mythbusters episode, they were using the wrong kind of round. I think they were using a soft point, which is just like all lead. And really, if they really wanted to test out the myth for real, they would have used a jacketed round. And that's what I'm going to use. So just give me a minute to set up. Okay, I have to hold the camera because there's nothing to place it on. So I'm going to hold it and shoot. Okay? 357 right here. I'm going to move over this way too so I don't get shot. Okay, I got the lock. Okay. Okay, now look at this. Okay? 3 shots with my .357, and what happened? It's opened. Master lock is not the greatest. Hold on, it's stuck. Grr, get out of there. Okay. I'm getting the light. Okay, 3 shots from my .357 opened the master lock. And you can see where it hit. Master lock. More like garbage lock. Okay, it disappeared. I don't know where it went. Hold on. Okie dokies. I had to look for the master lock after I shot it because it completely disappeared. It just, as soon as I shot it, flew off somewhere. And after like 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, I found it. And here it is. Completely blown apart. So, yeah, master locks aren't really the best. And it is a master lock. It's just not that great. Okay, this I'm going to take pictures of it too to show you. Master lock. Crap lock.